So, we're lucky in lots of ways. But surely that's worth a brownie.
Well, I don't know. Look at William. Very unsuccessful professionally.
That's true.
Divorced. Used to be handsome, now kind of squidgy around the edges. And absolutely certain never to hear from Anna again once she's heard that his nickname at school was Floppy.
You did? I can't believe it. Thanks very much. Thank you. All right. Well, at least I get the last brownie, right?
I think so. I think you get it.
Well, wait, what about me?
I'm sorry. You think you deserve the brownie?
Well, a shot at it, at least, huh?
All right, well, you'll have to prove it. I mean, this is a very, very good brownie, and I'm going to fight for it.
I've been on a diet every day since I was 19, which basically means I've been hungry for a decade. I've had a series of not nice boyfriends, one of whom hit me. And every time I get my heart broken, the newspapers splash it about as though it's entertainment. And it's taken 2 rather painful operations to get me looking like this.
Really?
And one day, not long from now, my looks will go. They will discover I can't act. And I will become some sad, middle-aged woman who looks a bit like someone who was famous for a while.
No, nice try, gorgeous, but you don't fool anyone.
Pathetic effort to hog the brownie.
Thank you for such a terrific time.
I'm delighted.
That's a great tie.
Now you're lying.
Okay, it's true. I told you I was bad at acting. Lovely to meet you.
Yeah, and you. I'll wait until you're gone before I tell them you're a vegetarian.
Good night.
No. I'm so sorry about the loo thing. I meant to leave, but I just... Look, ring me if you want someone to go shopping with. I know lots of nice, cheap places. I mean, not that money's necessarily... It's just so nice to meet you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
You're my style. Good.
Sorry, can I just...
Leave her.
Good night, everyone.
Max,
Bye. See you in a couple of days.
Yeah.
You call us.
Bye, guys. Bye, Anna.
They always do that when I leave the house. It's a stupid thing. I hate it.
Floppy, huh?
It's the hair. It's to do with the hair.
Why is she in a wheelchair?
Because she had an accident about 18 months ago.
And the pregnancy thing, is that to do with the accident?
You know, I'm not sure. I don't think they tried for kids before, as fate would have it. So. Do you want to, my place is just...
Too complicated.
That's fine.
Busy tomorrow?
I thought you were leaving tomorrow.
I was.
All these streets around here have these mysterious communal gardens in the middle of them. They're like little villages.
Let's go in.
Oh, no, that's the point. They're private villages. Only the people who live around the edges are allowed in.
You abide by rules like that?
I don't, no, but others do. And I just do what I want. Whoops, the daisies.
What did you say?
Nothing.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
You said whoopsie daisies.
No one says whoops, the daisies, do they? I mean, unless...
There is no unless, because no one has said whoopsie daisies for, what, 50 years? And even then it was just little girls with